Hello, my name is Seth Patterson, and my online website, my tool that I'm going to tell you guys about today is Tinkercad by Autodesk. And Tinkercad is an online database slash tool that you can use to create certain 3D designs. My school has used this to make little not go karts, I'm sorry, little box cars that they can put CO2 in the back of, and they'll race them to see who's the fastest. This is kind of a way to show kids a new, to have fun in class. So let me show you a couple things. This is the gallery, and they already have some pre-designs that you can have on there that you can use, and they're pretty cool. And you can also go online. There's different websites that do these, where people will sometimes sell them to you, or they just have them on there, because they did it for an assignment. But notice all the different things that you can do. And this right here is a breakfast platform. You have Jeep. Again, this stuff is really, really creative. So I'm going to do some easy stuff because I am not that good. So I started design right here, and I'm going to tinker this. And this is kind of like my little start of a little car that can be used that like the kids make in class. And notice I put little wheels on the side. I don't want the wheels to hang down too far because what we do is we drill holes. So I will grab this right here and I will actually make it smaller. And then the kids will drill a hole on that side, and then they'll put another one over here, and they'll do it right there. Notice right here they have shapes that you can already reshape and make them however you want to do. You can put a little fin on there on the back. Oops. And a little fin up there. You can raise it up. Move it on over. Bring it over here. Dun, dun, dun. Now I'm going to put it inside that. Make sure it's lined up just right. Oops. There we go. Oh, I did not mean to do that. As you can see, it definitely takes a lot of practice. Raise it just a little bit. So now I got a little fin on the back of it so it stays down, which by the way can become a problem if you're putting CO2 in the back of it. But you can also make things hollow and do all kinds of stuff like that. You can down over here in basic shapes, have text and numbers. So you can put your name on the side of it, and the kids will use that permanent marker. They have characters. This is where you got to be careful because unless you have a really good 3D printer, it's not going to work that well. Some of this stuff kind of breaks off, and it doesn't really turn out too well. Some kids put mustaches on the front of it. That's pretty funny. And they'll put a little dude on top, but he normally falls off, so you can always glue him back on. You can change the color, but in the end, it really doesn't matter what colors they are because in a 3D printer, you're going to put the colors in there depending on how you're going to do it anyways. So this is a brief explanation of Tinkercad, and it's very interesting, very fun. A lot of kids use it. A lot of adults use it to design buildings and stuff like that for college assignments to anything to elementary school. Our students love this app, or this online database that they use. And thank you for watching my video.